Hi and welcome. In our previous video, I showed you how to find a topic using the ClickBank Marketplace. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research the proper way. So here you can see I already got the how to get X back. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put it in the search box here. Now here you can see there are tons and tons of products right here. Now we are going to use a tool from Google called the Google Keyword Planner tool, which is same as the Google Keyword Research tool. I know you've heard about this tool and I know probably you might have used it before. Now just go to Google and then type in Google Keyword tool and then hit search. Alright, so here you can just go to the first link you see here, the Google Keyword Planner tool, and when you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign in into your AdWords account. If you don't have one, then you have to create one. So once you create one and you sign in, this is the first thing you are going to do. It's going to take you to the AdWords home page, and what you just need to do is to go to tools and then go to Keyword Planner, and then just click on search for new keywords using a phrase, website or category, and then just enter the keyword you want to research about. Now if you remember, I chose the how to get X back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter that keyword right here, and then just scroll down and then click on get ideas. So once it loads up, you will see the keyword is being searched 1,900 times and the competition is very low, and the suggestion bid is $1.38. And when you come here, there is keyword relevance, and here you can see there are lots of keywords right here which is being searched as well. Now there are a few things you have to look out for right here. Please don't go for keyword that has so many average monthly searches. This is going to make it very difficult for you to rank in the search engines, because there might be many good websites that are already there or have been there for so long. Well, you can go out there and outrank them, but it's going to take you a long time and it's going to take you a lot of effort and hard work before you can get there. So my advice is to go for low average monthly searches. Here, the second keyword says how to get your ex-boyfriend back, and then the next keyword also says how to get your ex-girlfriend back. And here you can see how to get your ex-boyfriend back has 8,100 average monthly searches, and the competition is low. The suggested bid is 0.47. And when you come to the how to get your ex-girlfriend back, it's the same, but the suggestion bid is different, which means there might be a little bit of competition right here. But you know what? Don't let this competition thing tricks you, alright? Because Google has its own way of calculating things. So what we are going to do is we are going to take this keyword and we are going to do a little bit more research about it. Alright, so please don't just end here and say this is 8,000, it's low and it can make you good money, so you are just going to go for it and I'm just going to try and rank it. Well, when I first got started, that was what I did, and I went out there and got a keyword which was very low. It was, I think, about 4,000 monthly searches, and then the suggested bid was around $2, and I went straight. I built a website about it. I load tons and tons and tons of information, and I tried ranking it, and you know what? I didn't go anywhere. So what you are going to do here is we are going to take this keyword right here. All right, so just select it and copy it, and then first I'm going to go to YouTube. I want to make sure it's getting a lot of searches, so I'll just put it right here. How to get your ex-boyfriend back. Sorry, how to get your ex-girlfriend back, and I'll hit search. Okay, so what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for videos with many searches, right? So here you can see this has been there for 2 years. It was uploaded 2 years ago, and it has 225,374 views. And here you can see 63,000, you can see 243,000, 137,000, and it keeps on going and going, which means, well, a lot of people are really searching for this type of keyword and they are really watching videos. And the reason why I'm saying this is because when you go to Google, videos also ranks very well in Google. Even on YouTube, people are watching this video. It means people are searching for this type of thing. So it's kind of like it's a problem we are looking to help people solve it. Like people want to get their ex-girlfriend back. All right. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to go to Google Trends, and I want to see if this is a trendy topic that is still trending, that we can write something about, or we can build a website about. So I'll put in the same keyword right here, and then I'll hit enter. And so here you can see it starts from 2004, so I'm going to change it to 2016. And if you see the chart right here, you can see it's not pretty much stable. It goes up, it comes down, and if you come to the last end here, it starts from 77, it goes up to 81, which means it's kind of like going up. So you don't really know what's at stake in the future, but it's a good topic to really pick and write some and start a website about it and start ranking. All right, so now we know the keyword is a little bit trendy, and we also know that a lot of people are really searching for this keyword, which means many people have this problem and they want to get rid of that problem. So you can just take pretty much any keyword right here, and you can just do the same thing and see what is out there. But we are not done here. Now what we want to check about this keyword is the keyword difficulty, right? We want to make sure if it's very difficult to rank, so we don't have to waste our time trying everything that we can to rank this keyword, and in the end nothing really works. All right, so there is a website called Moz. They have so many tools that I use, which is very good. I use them all the time. You can find them right here. You can go to moz.com. And what I really want you to do right now is I want you to sign up. All right, they have a 30 days free trial, which costs $0. So you can just go to Moz free trial, and then here you can see they have 30 days free trial, so you can just open it, right? So since I'm already signed into my account, I'm not going to go ahead and open. You can do it yourself. So the next thing I'm going to do is I want to make sure that if this keyword right here is it very difficult to rank, or is it very easy to rank? So here I'll go to the keyword explorer, moz.com/explorer right here, and then I'll just put in the keyword right here. So this is the Moz keyword explorer, which you can even use it to do keyword research, right? So you can use the Google keyword tool just to get started, and you can just continue using the Moz keyword explorer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit search right here. So here you can see the volume. The traffic volume is from 6K to 9K, all right, and the keyword difficulty is 27, which is very good, which means you can really rank with this keyword. And here is the keyword opportunity, which says 100%, and then the potential is 80, which is also very good. So well, I'm going to pick this keyword and I'm going to build my site around this keyword. So now if you scroll down here, you can see other keyword suggestions, and then you can see the SEP analysis. So next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to Google, and I want to see if when I put the keyword right there, there are some ads on there, which if there are ads there, then it means it's a very good keyword. When you have your website on the first page of Google, and you have Google AdSense on your site, and people get to your site and click on it, then Google is going to pay you for it, and this is going to help you make some cash. All right, okay, so here you can see people are running ads. So what we are going to do is we are going to start off with this keyword, and later on you can take these keywords and write articles about it, all right, and then rank them as well. But first we need to just have a basic keyword. We need to have one to start with. For now, let me show you like for this site that I already built, which is doing well in Google. As you can see, it's a very simple website with few articles on it. So here on the home page, you can see it has very few things. All right, nothing too big right here. So all this one, they are just ads from ClickBank, which I'm going to show you how to get this done. It's very easy. So here you can see I have few posts right here which are all targeting keywords under the same category as I showed you right here. So you can just use this for the start, all right, and then later you can build articles about all these keywords right here. So here you can see my keyword was how to make a girl want you. I'll go back to the keyword explorer, how to make a girl want you, and then I'll just hit search. So here you can see the keyword difficulty was 22 and the opportunity was 64. I didn't do a lot of hard work on this side, you know. I just sent some few backlinks and it started ranking very well in the search engine, you know. So for this keyword, it's very easy to rank. All right, before there was this most keyword too, but they have already moved it to the keyword explorer, so that's why I'm using this one.